Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from AI Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on BRIA AI. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in bria.ai and press enter. You will then be taken into the official BRIA AI website. Now in order to sign up and create a new account, click on the Get Started button at the top right corner. You will then be taken into the sign up as well as the login page. Now right from the page, you can either sign up with your Google account or GitHub by clicking on the respective buttons. Or you can also directly enter your email address and click on the sign up button. You will then be asked to enter your information. Type in your full name followed by your desired password and enter your company name. Then enter how you heard about BRIA AI, which is optional, and you can also choose your role. After entering all of these, click on the Get Started button, and now you will be asked to enter your organization name. After typing it in, click on the Done button, and now you will be welcomed to the BRIA's platform. Click on the Get API Key option to get started right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on BRIA AI. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.